Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's cleaning day here with Sonic the Ioniq. Let's do it. As you can see, Sonic is a little bit dirty. We have a bunch of dirt marks, some fingerprint marks over here. We even have some, mud around the bottom. So it's really important when you have this paint, this matte paint finish, to keep up with it. And that's what I want to do here today. I want to show you how I clean it, how I take care of it, maintain it, and keep it in its pristine form. So let's get it started. So we're gonna use all the material from our friends from Dr. Beasley's, and I think they make the best products for the matte finish. And so this is really important, getting the correct product. And even with Dr. Beasley's, you have to get the right detailing prescription. For example, there's different bottles for different uses. So your everyday, every time you want to wash it, would for the most part be the matte body wash. And then on top of that, you want to coat it after washing and drying. You want to also coat your paint, and today here we're going to use the matte paint coating. And as we go along, I'll tell you what the specific bottles more. I'll go more into detail about the specific bottles and when and how to use them. But for now, we're gonna start off with the body wash. So we're gonna rinse Sonic with some water and then get started with this. So as I said, we have this body wash from Dr. Beasley's, and this kind of soft rag that I'm gonna use. It's gonna be super soft and clean and kind to the car. So let's do it. So we use the body wash. Like I said, that body wash has no fillers, and it's meant to protect the factory kind of color of this car. So that's really good. And then of course you rinse it. And now we're gonna use this microfiber towel to dry it off. Again, we want to be really careful with the paint, so that's why we're using this special microfiber towel. Yeah. So I just finished drying the vehicle, and like I mentioned before, these other bottles will come into play, and I'll talk more in detail about them. And so now I'm actually going to talk more in detail about this bottle over here, the matte final finish. Um, and what this is since I've already washed and dried the vehicle, you can still see there's some what looks like dust particles over here. So that didn't come off with the body wash, and so this is where you want to use these. So this matte final finish, you use it for kind of dust particles that are kind of resistant to the body wash. And then you will try this out and see what happens. Just a little bit of a spray bottle and just a little bit of a spray here, and then just a scrub should be able to do the trick. So I haven't rinsed this off, but I can clearly see that it's taking it off. So I'll take some time to rinse this off, and I'll show you what it looks like after. So as you can see, that kind of dust mark is completely gone. So lucky us that this matte final finish works. So what I would say is, if you're in between washes, so say I cleaned my car on Monday, and then on Friday I got like another dust particle. You don't have to clean the whole car again. You can use this matte finish. It's kind of for spot cleaning, so it works really well. And then you can just kind of wash your vehicle some other time. What I will say also is, I'll show you one more thing. I talked about the paint cleanser, the matte paint cleanser. So this kind of comes into play when you have particles that are harder to come off. So if you have like bird droppings or something more oily or something that just does not want to come out, this would do the trick. Again, I feel like this is also a spot cleaner that works really well for like tougher things to get out. So last but not least, we're gonna do the matte paint coating. So the matte paint coating is really cool because it protects the vehicle, and the way it does it is it repels water. So it's kind of a self-protect mechanism that the actual like bottle has, and it's pretty cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wet some spots on the vehicle, preferably the entire vehicle, wet it, and then get to 10 to 12 drops on an applicator, and then just make sure you get the whole vehicle. And then you just quickly wipe it off with a microfiber towel. I don't use this often. I use this about once a year. That's about all you need, and it should take care of all your needs and protect the paint.